Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to remove applications from working with our assistant button menu. So where to look for this option and how to remove our applications interactions. We need to go to settings, then accessibility, interaction and dexterity, and here we have our assistant menu button. Allow, and this is this little thing. So when we open assistant menu, we have select apps to show contextual menus with. As you can see, we have a few applications right here that when we open them, we will have additional options here that are corresponding to these applications. We can of course remove this option from here by simply unchecking these boxes. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.